Hey guys, welcome to our channel, and in this video I'm going to give you a comparison between Bunq and N26, which one is better. So let's see which one you should choose. So choose the Bunq if you want the sustainability focus, for example tree planting and spending and highly customizable budgeting tools, multiple customizable budgeting tools, multiple sub accounts, and with individual IBANs, and better support for international banking and travel, and innovative features like autosave, slice groups, and freedom for choice for investing. Choose N26 if you want simplicity and ease of use, sleek app with core banking features, free or low cost plans with solid everyday banking, wider brand recognition, and strong compliance in EU or EEA, more stable deposit protection via German banking license. Now, here is the quick verdict for you. The Bunq is better for power user, digital domains, and eco-conscious customers. And N26 is better for casual users who want a clean, no-fuss mobile banking experience. So both are great challenger banks. Your best pick depends on your lifestyle. So let us know in the comments below which one you are going to choose. So hope you found this video helpful. If so, then give us a thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe our channel, and thanks for watching. Till next time.